AI-driven content promotion. Automate your marketing across 7 platforms weekly. Let me ask you a question. What if you could show up on 7 different platforms every single week with brand new, engaging, highly optimized content without manually writing captions, researching hashtags, or figuring out what to say? Sounds like a dream, right? But here's the truth. Most digital age entrepreneurs never realize until it's too late. Manually doing your content marketing will either drain your time or drain your bank accounts trying to outsource it. Either way, it's not sustainable. And with the way AI is evolving, there's absolutely no reason to keep doing it the hard way. My name is Ola, and today I'm going to review how we've helped countless entrepreneurs just like you completely transform their content game using AI-powered tools and a system that lets them show up like a team of 10, even if they are a team of 1. I've been in this digital marketing game for over 15 years. I'm a 20-year certified author of the book Digital Marketing Certified and many other books. I've personally been responsible for over $3 million in sales and revenue. And that's just scratching the surface of what we've built inside our digital ecosystem and network. I'm also the creator of myEmpirePRO and AILabPRO. Now, before we go too far, do yourself a favor. Download the book for free at digitalmarketingcertified.com or by clicking the link around this video. Inside, we break down this strategy in way more detail, and trust me, you're gonna want that in your back pocket. Let's jump right into this because I'm not here to waste your time. I'm here to help you multiply it. Does that make sense? Does that help? All right. So secret number 1, you don't need to be on social media every day. You need a system that's on social media for you every day, every second, every minute. Here's what most people believe when it comes to showing up online. They think they need to post every single day manually, and that somehow staying consistent means never missing a post ever. That's exhausting. Yeah, that's exhausting. The real game is building a weekly rhythm that lets you multiply one piece of content into many and schedule everything ahead of time so you're always on without being glued to your phone or to your devices. Let me break this down simply. Every week, we create a core piece of content, just like this video. From that single piece, our system generates 1, a blog post, 2, email newsletter, 3, 4, 5, captions, social media videos, 5, 6, 7 posts across Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, TikTok, YouTube Shorts, Pinterest, and X. How we use AI to do the heavy lifting. You feed your long-form video, audio, or even a voice memo into a large language model, also known as LLM. It's a type of artificial intelligence that understands language and can turn it into different formats like social posts, headlines, tweets, captions, you name it. There are dozens of tools out there that do this, but at myEmpirePRO, we recommend the automation platform we use personally. Is connected at myempirepro.com/email marketing, and it's a game changer. Not only does it help you automate emails and follow-ups, it can generate the post and handle the scheduling across multiple platforms for use. We've had clients who use to post once a week, struggling to get reach. Now, with this system, they're showing up 20 times a week across multiple platforms without writing a single caption by hand. So if you've been feeling overwhelmed, feeling overloaded, stuck in content paralysis, or just plain tired of the social media hamster wheel, this one secret alone can give you your time back and your sanity, get you back to sanity. Secret number 2, you don't need a big team. You need the right stack of tools. One of the biggest lies we tell ourselves when starting out is, I'll do more once I hire help. But that thinking keeps most people stuck in neutral, waiting for the right time to build a team, when in fact the right tools can replicate what a team of 5 can do. Let me tell you a quick story. We had a client. she's a fitness somebody, and an online program creator. Let's just call it online program creator, like online courses, things like that. She told us, Ola, I just don't have time to post, create landing pages, follow up with leads, and manage my coaching calls. Sometimes something's gotta give. I told her, let's automate everything that doesn't require your voice or your face. So we'll plug that into the 3 tools we recommend for every single client: email plus follow-up automation. And again, you can find that at myEmpirePRO.com/email marketing. This helps you automate conversations with leads so no one falls through the cracks. Landing pages plus hosting. She used myEmpirePRO.com/web hosting for unlimited landing pages and websites. Easy drag and drop. She went from having one basic landing page to hosting 3 sales funnels in under 48 hours. Membership access plus product delivery. She created a members only area using myEmpirePRO.com/membership where her students could get workouts, downloads, and even community chat access, all automated. What happened next? She went from making $2,000 a month to $9,000 plus within 60 days, not by working harder, but by building a system powered by AI and automation. She didn't hire 5 VAs. She just got smart with her tools. Remember this, technology is your first hire, and most of it pays for itself. Quick reminder, if you're getting value from this so far, make sure to hit like, share this with a friend who needs it, and subscribe or follow so you never miss a drop of these secrets. All right, let's keep going. Secret number 3, you don't need to go viral. You need to be valuable repeatedly. I'm going to say something a little controversial. Going viral is overrated. In fact, chasing virality might be the fastest way to burn out, or worse, get nothing but the wrong audience. The people who go viral once and never again, that's because they didn't build a system. You don't need to be famous. You need to be everywhere your audience already hangs out, consistently and with content that feels valuable, helpful, and easy to connect with. That's why our system focuses on weekly automation, not daily hustle. And here's the magic formula: 1 pillar content each week, then chop it, remix it, and schedule it, all powered by AI. Use the same piece of content to reach Facebook groups, Instagram stories, TikTok reels, YouTube shorts, LinkedIn carousels, your email list, and even blog content for search engines every week, like clockwork. The same message tailored for the format. And the best part, AI tools like ChatGPT or Jasper can write your captions, suggest hooks, hashtags, and even tweak the voice to match your tone. Friendly, professional, sarcastic, whatever works for your brand. We call this the 7x1 strategy inside AILabPRO. That's 7 platforms, 1 core message. Multiply your message, not your effort. What holds most people back from this? They think their audience is tired of hearing the same thing. Listen, your audience isn't tired. They're distracted. They need to hear your message repeatedly in different ways across different platforms before it sticks. That's just human nature. So the next time you're tempted to do something new, try this instead. Do something repeatable, then make it scalable using AI. You don't need to go viral. You need to go consistent. So let's recap. First, build a weekly publishing system that turns one idea into dozens of posts. Use AI to schedule everything so your brand is always on. 2, second, don't wait to hire a team. Use automation tools that we recommend. They replicate what 3 to 5 people could be doing manually. Third, forget about going viral. Focus on being visible and valuable consistently. The 7x1 strategy works, and it works best when you do it every single week. And yes, all of this is possible without burning out or breaking the bank. Now, if you want to go deeper, download the book, Digital Marketing Certified, right now. It's free at digitalmarketingcertified.com, or just click the link around this video. Inside the book, we walk you through the full step-by-step system that's helped entrepreneurs, coaches, creators scale to 6 and even 7 figures using automation and digital leverage. Don't try to test your way through this. Build with a blueprint. Before I go, I want to hear from you. Which of these secrets hit you the hardest today? And are you more excited about automating your content, building your systems, or finally showing up online without burnout? Drop a comment below. Let's talk. And hey, I'll be right back.